Hey, what's up, guys? Danny here, and today is my daily Scrum, my stand-up. So I'm gonna just go run through it really quick. But before I do, if you're watching this for the first time, my name is Danny Liu, and I work in an agile software development environment. So that's my day job. But I also build ebooks and websites, WordPress websites, and Udemy courses on the side. So how do I manage those projects? Well, I use Agile, the Agile framework, so to speak, specifically Scrum and Kanban, to manage my workflow and all of the projects and work in progress that I have. I have a small team. It's just myself and one part-time virtual assistant in the Philippines. And basically every day, what I've been trying to do is a daily stand-up. And so what that is just kind of a quick update on the things that I've completed, the things I'm working on, and some of the challenges and roadblocks I've faced since the last meeting now. I haven't really been religious every day with these meetings recently, just because of other priorities, work, family, kids, all these other things. And when I'm productive in the morning, as soon as I wake up, I work out and then I go and I sit at my computer and then I start working. But sometimes I just don't have the extra few minutes to do a stand up because I'm really pressed for time. But it's a good thing if I'm productive. So anyway, so my update is that yesterday uh, I I created the confirmation page for my workflow for my new ebook that I'm coming out with on the Amazon Kindle platform, and it is about project management tips, basically for beginners on how to optimize your workflow, get focus and clarity, and really just kind of move the needle on a consistent basis, daily basis. So uh, I'll show you a sneak peek of what that kind of looks like so far, and well, let me go over the stand up first. This is one of the things about stand ups is making sure that they're short, concise, and complete. And so project management, this is a project management tip from me to you if you're an entrepreneur and you're working on trying to organize and systematize your business. One important thing to do is always have consistent check-ins. And so this daily stand-up concept is really that, just that, that daily pulse that you're keeping on, not only your team if you have a team, but yourself. And so it's really important, even if you don't have a team, to hold yourself accountable to, record. Especially if you're an entrepreneur and you're building a personal brand, do something like this. Create a video, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram, whatever, like Facebook, wherever you are. Do it to hold yourself accountable, and to show other people kind of a sneak peek of what you're working on. Anyway, um, so going back to my stand-up, I completed and I worked out yesterday. I worked on my confirmation page, finally got that completed. Since my last stand-up several days ago last week, I was just continuing to be stuck on working on the same thing, which was my opt-in funnel for my ebook. I want people to read my ebook, download it on the Amazon Kindle platform, get to the links to my book, and click on them to go to an opt-in page and give me their email address. So in order to do that, I've got to create this step-by-step sequence, right? This funnel for them to opt in. So it consists of the link in the book to go to a thank you page on my website. From there, integrate my ConvertKit. I use ConvertKit for email service provider. Integrate ConvertKit to that ConvertKit form to my thank you page. Then go ahead and set up the confirmation page for double opt-in so that the subscriber can confirm that they want to be subscribed to the list, and then serve up um, the the offer, which is basically a project management toolkit, and and then get the thank you page as well once they double opt in. So there's a lot of steps in there, but I've broken it down in a workflow and in MeisterTask, which is my project management tool of choice at the moment for my side business. But there are lots of different cool project management tools out there. I'm kind of a tool geek, and I actually cover that in the project management toolkit. So I'm going to just flip the screen here and show you. Um, I'm holding off on the impediments and the challenges that have held me back because those I want to just really focus on for a moment. But here's Designer. I use Designer to help me. Designer to help me. It's a tool to publish your book fast. If you have blog content, you can scrape that content from your blog and get it in here quickly, so that you can really just focus on tweaking it and polishing it up, so that you can get a book. And the great thing about this is that it exports to a Mobi format, which you can upload to Amazon Kindle. I've been a Kindle publisher for about 5 years, and I'll tell you right now, formatting has always been the challenge to format it correctly, and this just does it really, really smoothly. Um, so anyway, that is my designer book, but you can see here there's a link. Not really a link, it's kind of staged there, but I have to insert some links here to go to my landing page, which will be here. This will be my landing page, and it's Digital Project Product Toolkit. And basically, once the person comes here, it should be a natural progression to say, okay, I want to learn about how to build digital products, even if I work full-time job or if I have a busy family life, right? So there's this call to action to, here's what you're going to get in the toolkit, and then the opt-in form for email address, enter your name, get your access to your toolkit. So this form here is integrated with ConvertKit, my email service provider of choice, and then once they opt in, they're going to get this. They click the form, they're going to get redirected here, almost there. And basically, this is a Thrive Themes landing page template using Thrive Architect. And I have a little saying here, look, you're just one step away. You need to go in your email and click the confirmation. This is the double opt-in. So once they click on the confirmation, they're going to go over to, well, I wish I could show you that because I don't have it set up yet. But they're going to go over to, I'm going to switch back over to camera. So they're going to go over to a thank you page saying, okay, thank you for clicking, for opting in. And here is the link to your toolkit, or here are the goods. Basically, point them where to get the things that I promised them. Right. So almost finished with the workflow. That is the sort of the next steps. And then publishing the book. So challenges I've faced, the reason why it's taken me so long is because I got caught up with my website trying to figure out my licensing for Thrive Architect and whether or not I wanted to renew it. So I was kind of battling that because I'm a Genesis user, Genesis Framework user, and I really love Genesis Framework. But the challenges with Genesis Framework have been, even if you know how to code, like you know your way around CSS and HTML and WordPress in general, it still can take a little bit extra time in your workflow to design the right page to make it look the right way, to get the elements to look the way you want them to. Like my homepage, here you can see, like this is done with Thrive Architect. I could do this in Genesis as well, but I would probably have to mess with some style sheets and FTP and things like that. And it's not really rocket science. I do that in my day job, but if you don't need to do that and you can save time, especially being a solopreneur, then that's kind of the benefit that you have. I know I don't have time to waste, and so it really does help me. But I ended up decided on just renewing my Thrive Themes membership because I truly believe that it's a great product. They have a theme builder coming out as well. It's going to be in beta later this summer, so I'm really excited. Hopefully, I can get hands on that. But anyway, those are some challenges, reasons why I was kind of dragging my feet on getting the opt-in email opt-in funnel completed, but I'm in full swing and focused on that. And so anyway, that's my stand-up for today. If you're interested in more videos like this, where I go over kind of like over the shoulder stand-ups on a routine basis to show you kind of how I'm managing my online projects and operations, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and give a thumbs up to the video if you like this. And don't forget to ding the bell if you'd like notifications sent to you when new tips, tools, and strategies I come out with are published. So anyway, I hope this video serves you well. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.